Hi guys, welcome back to the video. It's me, Astro, and today we're gonna be just chilling, I guess. And we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to build a rocket. Okay, let's get into it. So first, you kinda wanna get your rocket ready to go. So to do that, you also, I'm not playing this on PC. Might kind of look like it, but I'm not. It's just scaled up to better resolution. Holy crap, I thought I was gonna get coronavirus. Anyway, let's just go on. If you saw the USB console video, you kind of know how I'm doing this streaming. It's also wireless now. I upgraded my setup. Anyway, you want to go to example rockets, load the 3-stage rocket. Oops. I should load the 3-stage rocket. And in this 3-stage rocket, who the hell is opening the door right now? You want to load it, and on the top, add some landing legs. Also, my pro players, get out. Just get out. Scroll all the way down, grab some landing legs, and place them down here. Over here, and another over here. Oh, what is that in the corner? Like, bro, take that out. I don't think that's probably part of another project that I'm working on. Anyway, so now you want to scroll up to where there's this engine and this separator. It highlights the parts. You want to add the 2 little landing legs. And yeah, launch it. Put your throttle all the way up and click on that. I'm gonna just, warp until I get to orbit, assuming you know. And if you can't, just, that's a skill issue, but I also have a skill issue, so yeah, we're the same. Let's go. Okay, we're back. Okay, we're in orbit. Well, we're entering orbit. So now you wanna kind of zoom out. I'm zooming out in a second. So yeah, now zoom out. Click on the moon. Just click on the moon over here. Click navigate to, and it'll put this transfer window here. So you wanna click on the transfer window. Just click time warp here. And then, after your time warp, align yourself with the thing and go like full thrust. It's full thrust. You want that number to be 0 over here. The number that you kind of see is getting smaller is the one that you kind of want extremely small, as close as possible to 0. Now, I haven't done a video going to the moon in a long time. Anyway, also I might do a collab with another fellow YouTuber who's pretty cool. I met him, so I might kind of do a collab with him. I don't know. I'm not gonna mention his name. Probably gonna, I don't know. Anyway. So after you have this line over here, you want to just get as close as possible to the moon without actually touching the moon. That's why it's gonna be a little bit better. It's gonna be much better if you just go like that. What the hell just happened to my air conditioner? Bro, my air conditioner actually just broke. Anyway. Now after that happens, you want to click time warp to just before that little dot. Fixing my old air cooler. Anyway, now you want to turn around. I'm gonna turn around and just get away from me, bush. Shut the crap. Who the hell is sending me messages now? It's like what? 12:30 a.m. right now while recording this voiceover. So after you get your orbit like this, you should definitely do a quick save, but I was too dumb to make a quick save in this video. Why didn't I do it? Anyway, you wanna kinda get the orbit to look a little bit nicer, make it look how you want. I'm gonna go and just time I'm gonna time warp a little bit later. Something might be breaking. Anyway, so after you deorbit yourself, and then you want to get your velocity to be extremely low. I'm just gonna time up until I get to the moon. 1 second. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. Anyway, so after that, you kind of want to slow down before, and if you guys want, I'm gonna try to do a slightly modified 3-stage rocket to the moon, an extremely slightly modified. I might remove the stage separator. Actually, I'm not gonna remove the stage separator, and also I'm an ODC player. So, yeah. And you're gonna put your velocity all the way down, because if you do, you're not gonna crash like you just saw in the time lapse. Anyway, now I'm gonna separate this because I'm not trying to do that challenge. When this video gets like what 10 to 5 likes, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the challenge. So yeah, like the video and subscribe, because I'm gonna make more videos for you guys. Anyway, so you just want to slow down like I'm doing here. I'm trying to use all the fuel in this, but I'm going to separate just a little bit later. I'll say if you guys didn't notice, I'm just a little bit fevered up. Why is my air conditioner turned off? Anyway, here I separated. And feeling much better. Way better. Why is my microphone so close to my PC? Once let me just move it away. Anyway, yeah, and I put both of these pretty much nothing. So I hope you guys like my videos. I don't know. My last video got a bunch of views, even though I barely thought it was a good video. Anyway, I'm gonna link that video at the end screen. You guys will be able to see it. And so you can do something. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm gonna time lapse until I land. Okay, so for landing, you wanna just do the instructions I said. After you get this text, you're pretty good. Now, yeah, to get back home, I kind of went a little bit too fast. To get back home to Earth, you wanna just go full thrust, and assuming you know how to get to orbit, just do that again. If you don't know, I'll make a short on how to get to orbit, but you shouldn't be needing that. And I hope the captions help a little bit, just a little bit on this video. I got a new desktop, if you didn't know already from the video. I was talking about the USB video. Most of my viewers are returning viewers, so that's how I kind of know. Anyway, after reaching the low moon orbit, you want to kind of zoom out and click on Earth. Basically, we're going to do what we just did again, but to Earth. Click time warp. Now, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna time lapse until I get to Earth. Sorry if the audio's bad. Somebody's watching TV at like literally full volume. Anyway, we just wanna get there like that. You guys just saw what I did. You should probably know what to do. You saw the video, you should know what to do. So after you do that, you click this handy dandy button, separate into a capsule, and don't be scared. Who the hell is opening the door right now? Anyway, you wanna aim the bottom of your capsule on the bottom. Oh, it's kind of laggy on the desktop, but from the phone it's not laggy actually. I wish I had recorded it, but I didn't. So anyway, after you just wait a little bit. You just wait a little bit after this thing goes away. Heat shield goes away. Just wait just a little bit, and you should have a functioning little piece of crap. Some scrap metal. Anyway, I'm gonna time lapse and see you guys when I get there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, there's somebody snoring too now. Anyway, I hope I can see you in the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna recover it first time I actually return from the moon, because I don't return much now. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. See you, cadets. Click on the videos playing on screen. And it's your boy Astro, out.